Hi, I'm Matt. Welcome back to another in-home repair video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com. Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for proper voltage. Remember to also turn off the water. Hi, I'm Matt with ApplianceVideo.com. Today we're going to be taking a look at a Samsung dishwasher. Customer's complaint is that the door is just falling open. When they go to open it, there's no tension on it. That's going to indicate broken door cables. The dishwasher is already uninstalled. The first thing we're going to do is just remove the side panel to gain access to the cables. You will need the following tools before you begin this repair: a Phillips screwdriver. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and remove this metal side cover panel here. You just got 2 Phillips screws. Once those screws are removed, the panel will just kind of fold down and lift up. It's just held in by some little tabs at the bottom here. Set that off to the side. Okay, now that we have the cover off, we've got access to our cable assembly here. Okay, to remove the cable, just grab the spring here, pull down on it to release the tension. Take the cable off, unhook it from the spring. Okay, we've got our new cable here. We're gonna go ahead and just hook it on, put it around the underside of the pulley. Pull down on your spring, hook it on the door there. All right, now we're gonna go to the other side and do the same thing. All right, we're gonna go ahead and take our side panel. We got our 4 little tabs here. Just put those right into the bottom where the slots are at. Your screw holes should line up. And go ahead and just reinstall your 2 Phillips screws. Okay, now at this point we're ready to reinstall the dishwasher, and that will complete the repair. Thank you for watching another quality video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com.